Do you ever wonder how effective van insulation actually is? Well, thanks to one tool, I can tell you exactly how effective our products are and why TOURIG makes some of the best insulation solutions out there. This is the FLIR E8, and it's built to do one thing really well. It's a thermal imaging tool with an infrared camera which can pick up temperatures ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit, which, if your van is ever that hot inside, you're probably no longer watching this video or doing much of anything else anymore. Anyway, with this tool, we're going to show what kind of difference our ceramic insulation and our window covers make on regulating temperature inside your van. Our electrician Dave uses the FLIR E8 for reading our electrical systems and keeping tabs on how the system is performing, and can use the imaging to read any hotspots or points of fault that may come up. This is a much more effective and efficient method compared to testing every fuse or wire for failure, and it's also pretty fun to see the world in the lens of thermal imaging. Moving on to the first test, we'll show two images, the first being a bare van with exposed sheet metal, and the second image being a van with insulation applied. In these two images, you can see how much of a difference exposed uninsulated metal can have on your van's internal temperature, and why it's so important to go with the option we provide in our interior package here at TOURIG when we're building out your van. The second test is what happens after you've purchased your van and applied insulation. Any window is a point of temperature loss or gain, and opens up the possibility of countering any insulation methods you've made. That's why we offer our very own insulated magnetic window covers, which are available on our site. Using a closed cell foam, these covers are great for keeping your temperature regulated inside your van, as we've been able to show in these two images. So if you're on the fence about insulating your own van, either before or after it's been built out, we've got you covered. For more info on our insulation solutions, head to our site or give us a call to schedule your own van to get insulated by us today. And we'll see you next video.